In this video, I'll show you how to transfer Hi8 tapes to computer. Firstly, plug the RCA or 5 video cable into the camcorder's output. Connect the other end to your video capture device. Plug the capture device into your computer's USB port, then turn on your camcorder. Insert the Hi8 tape and rewind it to the beginning if needed. Then set the camcorder to play or VTR mode, not camera mode. Now open the software that came with your capture device and choose input source. Set up recording preferences like format, resolution and audio settings. Hit play on the camcorder. Press record on the software and let the entire video play in real time. Now after the tape finishes, stop the recording in the software and save the file to your desired folder on the computer. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.